Good morning, everybody. So today we have a pretty fun project planned. So if we look in the truck here, we have our RTR harnesses for the Mustang in this box, and then our harness bar, oh, it's really dark, harness bar in the back of the truck. So we're gonna get these out. So yeah, I'm super pumped because I've always been kind of moving around a little bit with the seat belts, and yeah, safety is the #1 priority. So definitely having these harnesses is a must-have for the upcoming drift season, and yeah, hoping to do some more events in this rad car because I genuinely love this thing, and yeah, driving it has been such a blast. So like Ford Fest, Fuel Fest, and just a bunch of things here and there. And yeah, so let's get the car in the shop and let's get this harness bar and harnesses in. Alright, so the side-by-side is in the shop right now, so we're gonna move this out and yeah, get the Mustang in here. We're good. I miss doing so much off-road stuff with this thing. We need to do another trip to Hatfield soon. Alright, now we're gonna move the Mustang in. Got our key. And yeah, let's get this thing inside. This thing sounds so good. Ready? So good. Straight pipes pretty much too. This thing is loud. Alright, so the Mustang is in the shop and we are going to start tackling this project. So we have the Brom harness bar for the Mustang, and we have all of our hardware here, all the parts, and yeah. So first we're gonna have to take the old seat belts off and connect the harness bar to those same bolts. So it's gonna be right in here. So it's gonna be right here. So we have to take this panel off. It has a 14mm bolt, and yeah, we have our tool here. So yeah, let's get these old seat belts off and then get this harness bar in. Alright, now we have to repeat the same process on the other side. So we got this off, the bolt is now holding it in, and yeah, we got our necessary washer off, and yeah, let's repeat it for this side too. So we have the factory seatbelts off and ready to go. See that right there, and on the other side right there. So that now means that it is time for our harness bar to go in. So yeah, let's get the mounting points and put this thing in there. Alright, so it's been a minute. We had a lunch break and we finally got the bar in. So we have the old seatbelt mechanism back in there as well, and we have the brand new harness bar in here. It's not fully bolted down yet, but yeah, the entire mechanism is in there. Now we are gonna add these support bars right here, and that means that I have to take this bolt all the way down here off. It's really hard to see, but yeah, it's right down here. So yep, let's take that off, put these support bars on, and then hopefully tighten everything up and it works. And we can put the harnesses on and call it a day. So it's been fighting me a little bit, but we got it. Alright guys, we are looking pretty solid in here, I'm not gonna lie. I'm thinking it's going pretty well. Everything seems like it's working, so we're definitely gonna try it in a little bit and see how everything goes. But yeah, this is pretty loose just because I wanted to make sure that I had room to move it just in case I needed to. The supporting rod is in for this side, and it, yeah, bolted in down there. We got that part finished. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty solid. I think it's coming down. I think it's going well. So yeah, I gotta put this supporting rod in on this side. It's been a little bit. Some things are fighting me, but yeah, we persevere and we come through. So yeah, we're gonna put this other supporting rod on, tighten everything up, and start to put the harnesses on. All right, so the harness bar is completely in. We have this supporting rod in here, this supporting rod in here, and last but not least, the bar itself. So now we have to take the rear seats out, the bottoms, just so that we can get the RTR harnesses in, because these things are actually really easy to put in. And yeah, all you have to do is take the rear back seats, or the bottoms of the seats out, and you're gonna have to take where the seatbelt is, back this bolt out a little bit so that we can actually hook up the harness to here, and then the other part of the harness clicks to the rear seat belt, and then the front part, it's just like so, like a normal harness. So super easy to put on. And yeah, let's back this bolt out on the back rear seats and yeah, install them, because it's gonna be really easy. So things have escalated pretty quickly. We actually figured out that we have to take the front seats out in order to put the part right where the factory seat belt is. So yeah, we just got all of the bolts out, and yeah, let's take the seat out and do the same thing on the passenger side. It's only 4 bolts, so it's pretty easy. There's none of the electronics still plugged in, but seat for the Mustang is out. There was this old harness that was in here before, but it was only partially in there, and yeah, we are gonna take that off so that we don't have to worry about it, and then actually put the new ones on. So yeah, let's take this old one off, put the new RTR harnesses on, and put the seat back in. Alright, so we finally got the harnesses in the Mustang. Took a little bit due to some user error, but yeah, we kind of messed it up a little bit.
Wait, can we explain?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, see how that one says driver, and then this one says passenger?
Yeah, we flip-flopped because we didn't read, and it didn't work out at first, so now we got it straight.
Yeah, we kind of messed that up, but yeah, after taking the seat out to put the one side in, and I'm doing on both sides, it took some time, but we got it in, and yeah, it's killer. Honestly, it looks amazing. I'm super stoked on them, and yeah, they're all tightened. The harness bar looks good back there, and yeah, passenger and driver are finished. So yeah, let's put these things to the test. All right, after some test donuts to see if they keep me secured, they 100% do. I honestly I fell in love with it. I love being planted right where I need to be, making sure I'm not moving around and all that, and these harnesses do that job perfectly. So yeah, definitely check these things out. These are the RTR Mustang harnesses, and these things are amazing. Like I said, there was some user error. I kind of messed up. We kind of messed up on some stuff, and so, but the actual kit itself was very easy to install. All you have to do is put the one side to where I put the harness bar, but also where the seatbelt goes, the other one on the seatbelt clip, and then the other two right where the seatbelt goes on the back seat, and the clip right there. So super easy to put in, and
yeah, definitely check these things out because they're amazing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little install video, and I'll see you in the next one.